Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of our students is now stay at home and all of you are very well at home. Nowadays which is going on, this is so much serious for our life and the situation is so dangerous and day by day it is become dangerous more. The coronavirus is so much dangerous virus and I hope all of you are well. But our life is not so easy. It is needed to cope up with our virus and it is needed to lead our life. Since our school is closed, but it is needed to carry on our work. For this reason, I am taking one class of yours which can be effective for you. Today I will take a class. This class for class 9 and the topics is momentum. Momentum. So one question is coming in front of you. What is momentum? This word is new to yours. But you know very well about force. Already you know. Now, momentum is related with force. How it is related? I will discuss and try to understand. I am going slowly. If any questions in your mind when the situation will be okay, then I will talk about these questions. So I'm going at first it is needed to know momentum. So momentum, I will give the definition. Momentum, definition of momentum. Definition of momentum. Definition of momentum. Momentum is the product of force product of mass and velocity. Mass and velocity. So momentum, it is denoted by P. If the mass of any object is m and the velocity of this object is v, then according to definition we can write P equal to m into v, that means P equal to mv. P equal to mv. So now momentum depends on which parameter. Here are two parameters. Have a look. One is mass, another is velocity. So on these two parameters the momentum will be depend. When the momentum will be less, when the momentum will be huge. So since this momentum is depends on these two factors, so that's why the momentum will be less or huge. This also depends on this two factor. For example, if velocity is constant, mass is changed. When the mass will be huge, then the momentum will be huge. Again, if the mass is fixed but velocity is changed, when the velocity will be huge, the momentum will be huge, and when the velocity will be less, the momentum will be less. So by this way, the momentum will be increase or decrease. So what happen when the momentum will be huge? What happen? The momentum will be less. For example, two cars are moving with different velocity. For example, one car, this one, the mass is m is equal to, for example, 50 kg, and the velocity v equal to 5 meter per second. Then the p is equal to mv, that means m is equal to 50 and v is equal to 5. So this is equal to 250 kilogram meter per second. So this is the one fact. The another car, for example, this is car 1, the another car, so that's why this is m1 v1. Another car, car 2, this mass is equal to 40 kg, but velocity v equal to 20 meter per second. So this is m1 v1, this is m2 v2. So now p2 equal to m2 into v2. So this is 40 into this is 20, that means this is 800 kilogram meter per second. Have a look. Here mass is 50 kg, but here mass is 40 kg, but here velocity is 5 meter per second, here velocity is 20 meter per second. Since here mass is more than this one, but velocity is less than this one, that's why this momentum is 250. But here mass is less but velocity is higher than this, so that's why this momentum is 800 kilogram meter per second. So by this way we can discriminate which momentum will be more or less. So momentum, what is the dimension of momentum? Dimension of momentum. What will be the dimension of momentum? Already you know very well. To write the dimensional equation, it is needed to know about the fundamental quantity, then you can write. For example, here P equal to mv, you know. Here m is the fundamental quantity, but v is the derived quantity. So it is needed to convert and go to the fundamental quantity. So now I will keep it here m, but v is equal to s divided by t. V is equal to s divided by t. So now have a look. Excuse me. M is the fundamental quantity, s also the fundamental quantity, t also the fundamental quantity. Now you can write easily what will be the fundamental equation of this momentum. So now m for mass, it will be capital M, s it will be capital L, and time it will be capital T. So altogether in a simple form, if you want to write like this, so it will be P is equal to capital M L T minus 1. This is the fundamental equation of momentum. So now today up to this already you know very well what is the momentum and what is the difference, what will be the momentum change. When the mass will be changed, momentum will be changed. Either velocity will be changed, momentum will be changed, or if the mass is less, then momentum will be less, velocity less, momentum will be less. And the unit of momentum, kilogram meter per second. This is the unit, kilogram meter per second, and the dimension is momentum is equal to m l t inverse 1, m for mass, l for distance travel, and t for time duration. So this is the class on momentum up to this for today. If I get a chance, then I will give the another class for the next day. And now take a homework. I am giving a homework to you. You will calculate and you will do it. So for example, I'm giving the momentum. Okay, a car of mass 200 kg is moving with velocity 5 meter per second. What will be the momentum of that car? And number 2, a car is a car of mass 300 kg is moved a distance 200 meters in 5 minutes. What will be the momentum of the car? So you will do at home these 2 homework, and next class again I will take a class on these topics. Till then, thank you very much.